Hi, I'm David White. I'm the Assistant Dean for Academic Programs in the College of Computing at Georgia Tech. I'm also the Executive Director of the online MS in Computer Science. And I'm also a graduate student at Georgia Tech, working on my PhD at the slowest possible rate. Because I'm a student, I understand very well how much fun the registration process is for classes at Georgia Tech. So with that in mind, we're creating this little demo that will show you an abbreviated and less painful way to register for your online MSCS courses. So to register, you're going to go to buzzport.gatech.edu and log in using your Georgia Tech credentials. Your GT account, which is the first initial of your first name, and it's probably your entire last name next, but if you have an older account with Georgia Tech, it might just be the initial of your last name, as it is in my case, and then it's a number. My password, generating a custom layout for custom people. Your layout may look different from mine. I hope for your sake that it does. You're going to look for this padlock icon, which is telling you to run away, and it's labeled registration-Oscar. I didn't run away, so I'm going to choose Student Services and Financial Aid. I click Registration and look up classes. I choose Spring 2015 and Advanced Search. Basic search is not very helpful. I scroll down to Computational Science and Engineering, and I shift-click Computer Science, and I tab to Campus and type ON for online, and return. This shows all the courses that are being offered for spring semester online. The C in the first column means that a course is closed, that there are no available seats. The checkbox means that there are seats available for which I can register. So I'm going to select 3 courses: CS 6210, Advanced Operating Systems, CS 6505, Computability and Algorithms, and CS 8803, Special Topics, AI and Robotics, and click Register. It's registered me for Advanced Operating Systems and Computability and Algorithms, but it's given me an error for the third course because my maximum hours are exceeded. That's because I have not completed the foundational course requirement for OMS. So I'm limited to 6 credit hours, rather than the 9 that I could register for if I had completed the foundational requirement. But I would rather take Special Topics than Advanced Operating Systems. So I'm going to delete Advanced Operating Systems, scroll down and submit changes. And I have to click Class Search again. So I have to do some more clicking. I do Advanced Search again, scroll down to Computer Science, tab to Campus, Online. There's no box next to Computability and Algorithms anymore because I've registered for it. So I'm going to check Special Topics, AI and Robotics, and register. And there I have the 2 courses that I wanted. So now I'm going to pay. Click Return to Menu, Student Invoice Statement, and Web Payment Options. And I see I have a balance of $1,105. I click Pay Now, which takes me to another site. I click Make a Payment, $1,105. I click Make a Payment again. I really meant it. I choose my current account balance and continue. I'm going to select a payment method of electronic check because that's free. Credit card requires an extra service charge. And I'm going to select, but this is actually where I'm going to stop because I'm not going to pay for these courses. So now you know how to register. One last note, I wouldn't register for 2 or 3 classes. 1 is plenty. Enjoy.